Are you looking for the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball Animal Canister Vacuum? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start. Features: Big Ball Technology, Dust Ejection System, Dyson Cinetic Science Technology, Mini Turbine and Pet Hair Tool. The Dyson Cinetic Animal Multi-Floor Canister has an ergonomic handle for easy vacuuming, as well as a wand which allows you to reach for stairs, drapes, upholstery, and more. You can turn off the brush bar from the handle for delicate rugs and bare floors. Easy retractable cord rewind. Total reach from the power outlet is 35 feet. HEPA filtration prevents dust and dirt from polluting the air while you are vacuuming. Hygienic and quick to empty. Just press the button and avoid contact with the dirt. 21.7-foot power cord. Dyson Cinetic technology with its HEPA filter captures microscopic pollen, mold, and bacteria so that you don't breathe in what was in your carpets. Cinetic technology eliminates the need for filters using 36 Cinetic types which vibrate out the dirt and dust. The triggerhead brush bar helps remove deep down dirt and pet hair from carpets, while the ball technology allows you to effortlessly move the vacuum around furniture and other obstacles. The dust bin is detachable and empties from the bottom into the trash can to keep the dust and dirt contained. The wand and hose give you a long reach to clean stairs, walls, drapes, and ceilings. Dyson has made this model quieter by using sound-insulating materials. This model is great for picking up pet hair, and it comes with the tangle-free mini turbine tool for getting pet hair off of upholstery and car interiors. Pros: improved bin design makes this easier and less messy to empty. Comes with an adapter to will-mate tools on older Dysons fit. Cons: short hose and power cord. Main cleaning tool has no motor.